The rate of new Bitcoin wallet openings has fallen to a 6-year low. Last week, an average of 275,000 addresses were opened per day on the network, compared to 625,000 just 6 months ago. Experts at the block agree that the decline in the number of new addresses and the decrease in Bitcoin investor activity reflect a general reduction in enthusiasm and expectations for explosive growth in the flagship crypto asset post-halving. Notably, the downward trend has also affected other related BTC indicators. For instance, miners' fee revenues have declined amid a record low hash rate of the Bitcoin network and the volume of on-chain transactions. Amid the temporary market stagnation of digital assets, the flagship cryptocurrency continued a monthly drift within the $66,400 to $68,300 range. Since April 15, the price of the first cryptocurrency by market capitalization has failed to demonstrate significant growth dynamics and come close to March values. According to experts from 10x Research, the price is hovering around the late April resistance zone of $68,000. At the same time, 10x Research predicts that if the resistance zone is breached, Bitcoin has the potential to reach new all-time highs. 10x Research experts provide an optimistic market forecast but expect the upward trend to develop slowly amid the asset's volatility and expectations of price turbulence. Earlier, analysts from the trading company Aurelios Markets stated that the flagship cryptocurrency has approached tech company stocks in its internal composition. The 90-day correlation coefficient between Bitcoin and the Nasdaq 100 Technology Index reached 0.46. This is the highest level since late summer 2023. BounceBit protocol team presents 2024 roadmap. A week after the mainnet launch, BounceBit protocol developers, a res-taking protocol on the Bitcoin network, shared their development plans for 2024. BounceBit will focus on integrating centralized finance, SoFi, with decentralized finance, DeFi, forming a hybrid known as SuDeFi. According to the BounceBit roadmap, in 2024, the protocol developers will release a series of updates and new products, all aimed at strengthening the ecosystem and improving user experience. The project team also plans to optimize blockchain infrastructure, increase liquidity, and provide investors with various income-generating options. Developers noted that they see problems in both SoFi and DeFi. Centralized platforms offer structure and accessibility but often contradict the core values of cryptocurrencies, transparency and decentralization. Meanwhile, decentralized platforms frequently encounter issues with smart contract security and scalability. Nevertheless, BounceBit aims to combine all the positive aspects of SoFi and DeFi, making high-income opportunities accessible to a wide range of users, not just large asset managers. BounceBit will develop its main network, which will become a key player in the project's SuDeFi infrastructure. The blockchain provides secure and transparent financial operations and allows for earning rewards by res-taking BB tokens. Central to the BounceBit ecosystem are liquid custody tokens, LCT. They serve as a bridge between SoFi and DeFi. With LCT, users can earn interest while simultaneously participating in Bitcoin staking and farming. All LCTs are backed 1:1 by equivalent assets in custody. They remain there until all LCTs are redeemed. The custody is effectively an aggregated pool of assets in a passive state until redeemed, the developers noted. The integrated system offers 3 types of returns for BTC holders, from interest rate arbitrage and over-collateralized lending, for running nodes in Bitcoin staking on the BounceBit network, and for active participation in the project's ecosystem. BounceBit developers will update the main net to improve performance and usability. In particular, plans include enhancing the Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM), implementing a new security module and a new mempool module, and improving the connection between the EVM and the Cosmos Software Development Kit (SDK). The res-taking protocol team also introduced Bounce Club, a service that allows creating custom SuDeFi using already provided tools and components. The entire process will be managed by BounceBit developers, providing necessary support in parallel. BounceBit is a res-taking protocol on the BTC network, launched in January this year. The project allows reinvesting Bitcoins to earn additional rewards. The BounceBit system uses 2 coins, BTC and BB. This mechanism enhances the security and stability of the platform. Ripple hints at short-term correction. On May 6, the price of Ripple, XRP, rose to a monthly peak of 56 cents but has since lost 9%. While the altcoin remains at risk of a short-term correction, this situation could potentially represent a good buying opportunity. Currently, XRP is trading below the 20-day exponential moving average, EMA, at 51 cents. The price crossed this level on May 13, confirming increased selling pressure. A drop below the 20-day EMA signals that the asset is trading below the average price of the last 20 days. This is usually interpreted as a bearish signal, indicating an imminent decline. Additionally, the moving average convergence/divergence (MACD) reading showed that the MACD line is below the signal and zero lines. This is a bearish sign, and market participants view its appearance as a trigger to exit long positions and open short ones. The market value to realized value (MVRV) ratio for XRP, calculated using 30-day and 365-day moving averages, shows negative values of -1.3% and -9.8%, respectively. MVRV tracks the ratio between the current market price of an asset and the average price of circulating tokens. A negative ratio indicates that the asset is undervalued. Thus, the current situation can be seen as a buying signal. Furthermore, positive funding rates on the futures market suggest that traders continue to hold long positions. If sentiment remains unchanged, bulls could push the altcoin's price above 53 cents and towards 57 cents. However, rising bearish sentiment could lead to a drop to the 50 cents level. Losing this support would direct ripple towards the 44 cents mark. Notcoin, plunged by 85%. Notcoin, a gaming Web3 project based on the Ton network, emerged as a mini-app in Telegram in January this year. In just a few months, the number of Notcoin players exceeded 35 million. Starting last week, Not became available on many major exchanges. However, investors attracted by the recent hype are now suffering significant losses. Notcoin debuted on the Toncoin network last week. During the airdrop, investors eligible for the program received Not tokens worth about $1 billion. The token listing on major exchanges, including Binance, initially allowed the price to reach an all-time high of $0.037. Within 10 minutes of launch, the project's capitalization exceeded $1 billion, and within 24 hours, Not became the 8th most traded cryptocurrency on the market. The project attracted significant attention thanks to the support of Telegram founder Pavel Durov, who publicly praised Notcoin on his Telegram channel, noting the project's rapid growth and transition from in-game currency to real money for users. He also promised to hold on to the tokens until their value increased 100-fold. However, this excitement quickly waned, and the price of Not began to plummet. Within a week, the token's value dropped by more than 85%, falling well below its launch price. Investors were unwilling to hold on to the coins in anticipation of potential future profits. Instead, they quickly sold their tokens received during the airdrop to make an immediate profit. This mass sell-off led to a significant oversupply in the market, further driving down the price. Crypto analyst Crypto Patel is pessimistic about the coin's prospects. He is not alone in this forecast. Many investors also approach the token's short-term outlook with caution. In response to the price volatility, Notcoin developers shared plans for further project development. They outlined upcoming campaigns, products, and offerings aimed at increasing user engagement and token stability. The team emphasized that while they encourage users to stake their tokens, they do not intend to lock assets or force anyone to participate in the network. You can unlock your Not and withdraw them to the network at any time. Yes, you will lose your level benefits and pool access. But we don't want to force anyone to stay. Notcoin is about free choice, the project team wrote.